Hello everyone, this is my video for this week and I scheduled 10 questions for my future roommate. First one, how often do you wake up early in the week? And the possible answer is 3 days a week. I start my day at 6 a.m., the rest at 7 a.m. So most of the week I woke up early. Do you spend time with your family daily? No, I spend time with my family members once a week. Do you attend church weekly? No, I do not practice any religion. Do you like to listen loud music regularly? No, I do not have any sound system at home. Do you spend 2 hours daily in social media during the day? I spend more than 4 hours a day due to my job requirements. Do you stay connected to the Wi-Fi permanently? Yes, my job requirements need for me to be connected all day and night. Do you practice any sport or hobby in a weekly basis? Yeah, I like hiking and skateboarding. Do you have a daily TV schedule program? No. Both rooms have TV. There is no need for a schedule. There is no common area with TV on it. Do you have a daily bathroom schedule program? No. Both rooms have their own bathroom and shower. As for the heater, we live in a warm place. There is no need for hot water, but we can figure something out. Do you own any pets or want to buy any in the near future? The building manager does not allow pets in the apartments. Okay, my possible roommate is Julian Fernandez Castillo. In the morning, he wakes up at around 6 or 7 a.m., depending on the day. After that, he takes a bath and stretches for 15 minutes. We take the kitchen table together and breakfast before 8:30 a.m. Then we take the subway together for the city. After that, we walk in the local square for a few blocks. He enters the main town building and goes to the office to work. I get in the next block to the Empire building and enter my job also. We both get out to lunch at the same hour, which is 11 a.m. Usually we eat with co-workers, but once a week we should try to eat together, most likely in Wednesday, to review any details in our housing agreement. This roommate is going to be awesome because we work close to each other and we have similar schedules. I hope we can make this agreement work.